for this flower, I'm gonna do a red, white, and blue flower. So I preloaded row 2, and then on row 3, I preloaded, because I wanna use 16 blue, 16 white, and 16 red. This is my flower. So row 3, I preloaded the shared holes and not the normal holes, because I wanted to put, like I said, 16. We're gonna do 16 blue on row 2, 16 white on row 3, and then on row 4 we have 8 red, and then on row 5 I'm doing 8 red. And then I'm using this pre-made red glitter flower center. Isn't that pretty? And then, actually, I might as well put we're going to put the cable mount on the back. So I'm gonna take my cable mount, and there is like a little center thing that on the back, and I'm just gonna push it right in the center. Normally I hot glue them, but the adhesive on the cable mount really likes the foam, so you can just push it, or you can glue them, hot glue them. So this is the center I am using. Finish preloading row 5. All right, so there it is, preloaded. It's just a simple, very simple flower I'm gonna do. Row 2 is gonna be blue. Blue, this is blue with metallic, royal blue. And I am just gonna fold petals. And usually I'm watching TV, do my same cut edge, or the factory edge, top left, bottom right. I'm just folding the top corner to the bottom corner, making my triangle and pinching it right up the center. Flip it up. There's my petal. Putting the rounded part into my board. That's it. We're gonna do, that's why I thought we'd do a very casual, and you guys can see exactly how I make all my flowers. You could even use like a cutting board or the back of a cookie pan, you know, whatever you have, something flat that you can put on your lap just to make petals, and putting it right in as I make them. Now I'm going clockwise, and the reason I'm going clockwise with my petal, because that way the factory edge petal goes over top of the cut edge petal to the neighboring one. And we're going on row 3. It is a blue, it's a nice royal blue. And we're gonna do the same thing. Makes a beautiful triangle. The easiest petal fold. Now on row 3, I did do the shared holes because I do want to have 16 pieces. And I'm only going in about 1/4 of an inch with the rounded, we call it a nub. So there's white. White is done. Now we're going to do our red. 8 on row 4, 8 on row 5, and then we'll be done. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put a zip tie on the back for a hanger. Okay, there's our hanger. There's the back again. Row 2, 16 blue. Row 3, 16 white. Row 4, 8 red. Row 5, 8 red. And now we're going to put the center on. This is the center. We're going to go down the 2 center holes with each pipe cleaner. 1 and 2. And I wanted it to go from red to white to blue. We're going to pull that down. I'm pulling the pipe cleaner from the back here. Make sure that none of my petals are going down with it. Okay, I feel a little bit of resistance, and I am going to twist it. Okay, scissors. Don't use your ribbon scissors. These are really old scissors. There we go. the flower is done. There's our back. Nice and neat. Business on the back. Remember, you can put tape a card to the back, make some stickers, even write your name with some Sharpie markers. And there is the, oh, look how pretty.
All done in the recliner.
All done in my recliner. And that's all I got for you guys. Just wanted to show you guys how I made a flower in my lap.